Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a haul video. I'm going to show you some things that I purchased, some high-end products, some drugstore products, so let's get right into it. First of all, I'm going to talk about the Balm products that I found at Winners, which is amazing. I haven't really seen that brand carried at Winners before, but they are appearing quite a bit. So the first thing I got is the Balm's Big Mama Shadow and Blush. It's a really beautiful blush with some shimmer. I think it looks like NARS Orgasm, although I've never owned that blush, so I don't know. But it's a really beautiful coral with a slight gold sheen to it. Then I got 3 of their Photobalm powder foundations. These were all $9 instead of 18-ish, so I got Lighter Than Light, which is my color, pale as anything. So far I like it. It is talc free. It's a nice size powder with 9 grams in cute packaging. So I did get other colors for my kit. I got mid, medium, and dark. So these are awesome. Great way to buy a few different powders at a discounted price. And I do think I like the powder so far, the light one that I have been using. Next we'll do the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I got their waterproof cream color in Sable. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it is a gel liner, or you could use it as a cream base. And this I think was $7 or something ridiculous. And then I got 2 of their liquid lipsticks. So I got this pink one, which is called Craft. It's like a pink magenta. And I've only ever tried one other color. These are like $9 or $10 at Winners. They have many different shades right now. Then this red one is called Sarahfine. It's a dark, really nice, beautiful red. So that's what that one looks like. Next, I got something that I'm very, very excited about. This is their Lip Palette Volume 1. I don't know if they've even I don't think they've come out with a second one yet. But this is a really beautiful lip palette, great for your kit. You can apply them as they are, or you can mix your own. It does come with a cute little palette. I thought it would be metal, but it's kind of, I don't know, maybe it is a metal. It just feels different than I expected. It's a really nice, cute palette, great for your kit if you are a makeup artist or just someone who wants to play around with colors. I think it is a matte lipstick formula. And I think that was like $25, which is a lot cheaper than at Sephora. Then I got their cream contour kit in Deep. So I am trying to build my kit for more skin tones, and this is perfect. So it is a contouring kit, quite a few dark shades, and I guess a highlighting color, maybe a neutralizing concealer kind of shade. So those are awesome. I was so happy to find those there, and you never get that kind of discount at Sephora. Like the most you get is 20% on like twice a year, but these were like 50% off, so obviously I had to get them and just kind of stock up for my kit. 2 things I bought from Sephora. I got these Sephora Favorites Give Me Some lip set. Loving this. I always love these sets. I think it's a great way to try out new products, and this is the Give Me Some New lip. So amazing, lots of different textures and formulas. I don't have anything on my lips right now. I'm gonna apply the Huda Beauty Snobby Metallic Lip Gloss. So let's do a little swatch. Got a cute doe foot applicator. Pretty shiny. I do like it. I've been playing around with quite a few of these items. This Fenty Beauty one is really cool too. It's a hot pink in Candy Venom. Cute little lipstick, super intense color, so that's what I was excited about. Look at that intensity. Yeah, like that. Alright, next from Fenty Beauty, I found this set of minis at Sephora. So this is the Balm Baby Mini Lip and Face Set. So you get the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter, which is 2.2 grams, pretty much like a large eyeshadow. Then you get the Gloss Balm Universal Lip Luminizer, and the lip gloss gives you 5.5 milliliters, which is pretty much the size of a full-size lip gloss in a lot of other brands. So this was a great set, a great way to try out some products, and I haven't tried anything from Fenty Beauty yet, so that is very exciting. Okay, so my friend Colleen was so generous back for Christmas. I haven't even talked about all the things that she has gotten me. So she bought me a lot of things that I can use for my kit, which is awesome. I am trying to build that right now. So this is the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation in Honey Bronze, and it's really interesting. It comes in this compact with a little pump, so you can take out the cream foundation, and I'm excited to try that. I looked it up. It seems like it's more of a creamy, more hydrating formula than their Double Wear in a bottle. I got a few different sets. I got a Smashbox set. I got the 24-hour CC Spot Concealer. And it comes with a really tiny little brush. So definitely interested to try that out. The color does look like something I could use for a lot of fair skin tones. The Smashbox Photo Finish Lash Primer. I got many colored mascaras to try from MAC, which is super cool. So this is their MAC Zoom Lash. This one is in Beets Me, which is a nice mauve kind of color, pretty wearable. Then this one is in Plum Reserve, which is a darker purple. And then this green is called Green is Green. So these have been really cool, colorful mascaras to try out. Mini sizes, which I think is all you really need for colorful mascara, as we don't generally use them that often. She got me some MAC lip products. So this is a lip gloss, the Mineralized Glass in Modest. So a really nice wearable nude color for every day. The Lustre Capricious lipstick. This is a really beautiful like mauve nude, super creamy formula. I really like that color. And then this one, I think it came in a set. It's their Dangerously Chic lipstick. Gorgeous packaging. It's a really nice deep red. But actually swatching it, it does come off as quite a cherry red. I got this Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer, which is great. I did a photo shoot recently, and the whole time I was thinking, her under eyes are so dry and I should have used something to hydrate, so that is going to be a perfect item. Next is the Bobbi Brown Corrector in Extra Light Peach. So this is a really nice sample size of it, and I'm excited to have that. It's a really great color for fair skin tones. It might even work for light to medium as a corrector under the concealer. Next, we have the Smashbox set of brushes. I don't have the outer packaging. It comes in this beautiful holographic diamond case, and you've got 5 different brushes. These are absolutely beautiful. I love the packaging. Nice glitter, and 2 of them are double-sided. Absolutely beautiful. I haven't even touched them in a month because I wanted to show you them first before I really dig into them. Next is the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. I used this today. I've been using this a lot since I got it. Next, I got this Clinique lipstick in Black Honey. This is one of their 100-point perks, and I've heard a lot about this color. It is quite a sheer formula, kind of like a creamy lip balm. Next, something else I found at Winners, which I was so excited about, is the Lock-It Concealer in Deep 36. Once again, not a color for me, but for my kit, I am looking for medium to dark shades, and I'm so excited to have this in my kit. And it was super affordable once again. Very exciting to find that. Next, I found NYX was like 50% off on a lot of items at Shoppers Drug Mart recently. So I've always wanted to try out their eyebrow gel. So I got blonde and I got brunette, and I've actually been mixing the two to get a slightly lighter brown. Just trying to tone down the brows a little bit. I'm kind of over the red brow for now, and especially with having some roots, I feel like I can do brown brows and rock it. Next, I got 4 of the NYX Vivid Brights. I think I have close to the full collection now. I think I have 6 or 7 if I can find all of my colors. So I got this one, which is in Vivid Violet, which is quite a dark purple. I got this Vivid Blossom, which is a much lighter purple. I got two really interesting greens. This one is Vivid Envy, and then Vivid Escape, which is a nice, very light green. So that is my haul. Those are the products I picked up recently. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.